Diary of Red.
Hi guys! Nakauwi ko lang galing and I bought some things! Dito sa wallet ko. And lahat-lahat ng ito ay 746! 746 bucks! Sneakers! First, I got this pimple patch from Posh. It's 199 pesos. Open ko na this one. Let's see what's inside the bitch. Si Niana ang endorser. Next, Mina. It has 24 patches inside and I hate it. Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
ah, okay. It's 24 patches inside and it's 199 pesos. This looks good. It has multiple colors in it. No! And I also bought this powder. Actually, I had ganito na. Pero binigay ko kasi sa classmate ko kay my classmate, my best friend. Kasi I just want to end, yeah, it's like a birthday gift to her. Kasi hindi ko na kasi talaga din ginagamit yung ganito ko dati. I'm not using it now! I gave it to her na lang. Pero I bought again na naman new one. Because I don't know. I just, you know, yeah. And I also bought this Frizzy Away Hair Fix Solution. It's styling hair wax stick, UV protection, 24 stronghold, macadamia and coconut oil fresh. Now let's try to smell this one if it does really has a sweet smell. Ah, sweet smell, fresh scent. It's coconut oil yung ano niya. Yung ano? Yung ano tawag doon? Huh? 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 Yun ba yun? I don't know how to use this actually, but I think ganito kaso lang. Parang wala naman nangyayari, bakler. Ano yung pa nangyayari, guys? Tell me.
You tell me!
Meron ba? Ewan ko. Pero I bought this para lang may nabili ako ng pang hair. Kasi yung sadya ko talaga, why pumunta ako sa SM para bumili ng something for hair. Some treatment for hair. But I end up buying all of this. Tapos, wala pa ako pang hair. Ito muna, ito yung nasa ano ko, hands ko. Tapos, pumunta ako sa hair section. Kasi, bakla, pumunta nga ako dun para sa ano ko, para sa primer and hair rejuvenescence ko. Tapos wala pa ako na-bought for hair and rejuvenescence. Ha! For hair and primer. And I bought this. This is 129 pesos. Yeah. And last but not the least, ito yung first na sadya ko. This is the second sadya ko lang. For me, kaya talaga ako pumunta kay primer talaga. Tapos pang hair talaga. OA talaga. I also bought this one. This is PYS Primer Serum. I'll try to open it. Oh my god! ASMR. Parang ang liit lang ng naman. Let's try to put. Wow! I-ex ko na rin 2x ko. Kasi may list ako ng ano, 2x sa ano, dun sa pader nilagay ko. Yung hindi na lang ako nakabili dietary supplement, tapos ito, tapos santalata. Aywan pa sa yun. And nabought ko na this one, so I'll exit doon. Ang dami ko dang na ex doon, mga nabili na. So good. And this is how much? 249 pesos. Yeah, so I end up buying this 4 thing. I bought this on department store, not in Watson's, kasi mas gusto ko sa SM bumili ng ganito sa department store, not sa Watson's. I don't know why, but yeah. Yeah, that's basically it. And that ends up my haul for today. Thank you for watching. That's it, bro. Hi guys, hindi pa ako naligo, so don't mind my ayos ngayon. And red siya. Kasi nalagyan ko ng ganito. Anghang-anghang. Ay, kasi masakit yung lalamunan ko. And I'm not feeling well talaga. Pero, dumating this one. I ordered this sa Shopee. It's like a curling iron and I'm so excited. So let's open it. Secure na secure siya. Bakla. Let's try, bitch. May nakita ako sa sahig. May kasama pala siyang clip. Ilan? Dalawa. Sino may kasama? Let's try. Let's try. Ovi, they trying to coffee. Ito? Okay. Look what I bought! I bought mug, Kuya Jo. If you don't know, well, now you know. If you know, you know. First, look what I bought. 421 pesos. I bought Mochi blush from B&B and Sanicare White. Sanicare. 72 pesos. And also, I bought this! This is my, like, I really want to buy this. Dati pa lang. Pero I didn't get the chance kasi wala ganito sa mall, sa department store. Dun sa Zamboanga. I know I'm in Dumaguete. I'm in Zamboanga. And I saw this. And it's 349 lang. Kasi pag sa, may shipping fee pa. So, open it with me. Oh my gosh, the video is so bruh. And I bought in the shade 01, the Berry Lava. Actually, this is not my this is not the shade that I want to buy talaga. I want to buy the, I don't know, but like the shiny one, the purple one. And their new shade also, the pinky range na. But ito na lang yung available. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this is my first time. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. But it's so small. See? There's also a mirror. I didn't know. Is there a mirror? There is, bro. There is. If I'll remove this, hindi na siya blurry. I made it. Oh my god, that is so satisfying. Wow. And also, I bought pasalubong from Super 50. I bought pasalubong from Super 50 and for myself also. Because it's just 50 pesos. So I bought it. And my total is 300. There's a fireworks kasi tomorrow is fiesta here. Oh my god, look! Look! So this is my pasalubong for Regina and for Julian. These are so cute, the meow meow, kasi they're obsessed with That's why I bought this. This reminds me of them. And black specifically reminds me of Regina and Julian. And I bought this. Pero they are not stainless. But it's hard. A mirror. Oh my god, bro. is so clear that my pores are visible. What else? This one. I also put this one. This is like a keychain. And it's kind of pink. No, it's purple. Purple. Yeah, but this. All of these are 50 pesos. So it's 300 pesos. And my favorite is this one. I want to try it actually. Let's try it. I removed it. I remove it from the box now. Oh my god, it's raining. Oh my god. Oh my god, so cute. So beautiful actually. But I already have blush on now. But you can see it's pink more than this one. It's so scary here. Another side. It's so cute. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Guys, I told you earlier that I bought mug, but I forgot to show it to y'all. Now ko lang na-remember. And then I bought mug. It's only 50 pesos. I bought it right away because it's pink. You know how much I love pink. This is pink in person. It's not white, bruh. It's pink. Why is it white there? But here it's pink. I don't know. It's like purple pink. What? It's like purple. Yeah. That's it. I just wanted to show to you because I did it earlier. Because I don't know. I forgot. I think. Hi guys! So kakadating ko lang and kakaligo ko lang din. Kakadating ko lang galing Dumaguete. So yung mga parcels ko hindi sa akin diretso nag-arrive. Actually kahit andito ako sa ate ko siya nag-arrive. So I ordered this two. So first this one. Na-open na siya. Na-open na siya ng ate ko. But this is brushes. On a flat brush for foundation. Tapos pang concealer, pang ganyan. So, yeah. And may ganito pa. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, yeah, yun lang. I don't know magkano to. Oh, it's here. 138 or 139 ganun. Yan o. 130. So, yeah. Here's another one. I ordered this kasi nagustuhan ko yung una kong nabili na jeans. Which is, gamit na gamit ko siya. Kaya I ordered another one. Pero ibang color naman. Color black naman siya. So, let's open it. Yeah. So, ito yan. Ito siya baklo. Ang ganda. Try ko. Don't! Gosh. Wala akong masabi basta ang ganda niya. Pero, yung dito niya, sobrang tight siya. Pero yung in-order ko, same lang, 2XL. Yung first, mas malaki pa sa akin. Malaki siya on yung size. Ito, super ano siya. Pero, okay lang. This is 325 pesos. Yeah. Ayun na yung nabili ko. Thank you for watching. My throat really hurts. I have a sore throat as of this moment, and it's like it hurts. So I bought this. Actually, I also bought eyeshadow, but I gave it as a late Mother's Day gift to my mother yesterday, and hindi ko na video, but I also bought that. And yeah, so this arrived. It's a phone case, guys. It's just a phone case, and I like it kasi it looks like what do you call Chrome Hearts, but it's not like originally from Chrome Hearts, but it looks so good. That's why I bought this. So here's my phone case. This is Mingyu. And actually, guys, this phone case, I bought this long time ago, but recently I used this. Not recently, but like for like 3 months now. So I need to change my phone case. Goodbye, Mingyu. This is the pagbabago, guys. Oh my god. So good. It looks so good. So good. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hi guys, I'm done editing the video, and I noticed that walang proper like outro. So like, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it. And I have a parcel, an incoming parcel pa. Pero hindi ko na ata siya isasama dito. So, sa next video na lang, I'll update you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Guys, grabe. Like, after 3 weeks, 3 weeks ko pa siya natapos ma-edit. Kasi sobrang tamad ko, guys, even though I like editing. Sobrang tamad ko mag-edit. Like, mag-edit ako, tapos stop. Kaya, it really like took me like 3 weeks. And I'm done na. Yay! Yeah. I'm watching my vlog right now. Yeah, thank you for watching.